Assalamu alaikum. If your computer suddenly shows a white screen on startup, then don't panic. In this video, I will show you how to fix the white screen error step by step.
Firstly, force restart your computer by holding the power button until the system shuts down completely. This is a very easy way to solve this error.
If first step does not work for you, then try this step.
Firstly, turn on your computer normally and wait for the Windows logo to appear on the screen. As soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button until the computer turns off completely.
Now repeat the same process one more time by turning the PC on again and forcing it to shut down at the Windows logo.
After repeating the process, Windows should automatically launch the Preparing Automatic Repair screen.
Once the repair screen loads, click Advanced Options to access troubleshooting and recovery tools.
Now click Startup Settings to access advanced boot options for troubleshooting your computer.
After clicking Startup Settings and then Restart, you will see boot options, and you can press the number keys or function keys on your keyboard to choose a boot option. To fix this error, you can try these options. Press 4 or F4 for safe mode, 5 or F5 for safe mode with networking, and 6 or F6 for safe mode with command prompt. If you press 6, then you need to type sfc/scano and hit enter. Also type dism/online/cleanup image/scanhealth and hit enter key. Then type dism/online/cleanup image/check health and hit enter key. Finally, type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and press enter key on keyboard.
To fix this error, you can also use Setup Repair, System Restore, uninstall Windows Updates, Command Prompt, and Recover by using System Image in Advanced Options.
If nothing works, then you need to reset your PC. Click Troubleshoot, then click Reset this PC while keeping your files safe.
Alhamdulillah, your white screen problem should now be fixed. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides. Allah Hafiz.